All right, let's look at exporting your printable document. So we're going to go back into Illustrator. And what we want to do is we want to convert from Essentials Classic up here to Printing and Proofing. And the Printing and Proofing tab will give us some tools that we can use to help with setting up our document. So first thing is we have something called Separations Preview. And what this does, it just gives you an idea of how the document is, how the colors are overlapping. And I can turn on and off each color. I turn on Overprint Preview, and I can turn off each color: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And I can see how the document is overlapping, what the color is doing inside the document. There is also such a thing as a rich black. And what I want to do, if I have a document that's got a lot of black in it, I want to use a rich black for that. So if I click on this document and I double click and open up I want to open up my color, my swatches here, and you'll see that this black is pure black. And what I want to do is I want to actually create what's called a rich black. And what I need, anytime you're creating a document that's got a lot of black in it, there actually has to be some color, some cyan, magenta, and yellow in that black so it looks proper. So we're going to use the rich black formula from America's Printer. So what is considered rich black? In printing, rich black is an ink mixture of solid black with additional CMY ink values. This will create a darker, more rich-looking black than printing 100% black alone. So their formula is 100K, 100 black, of course, 50 cyan, 40 magenta, and 25 yellow. So let's go back and mix a rich black. So in the cyan, we're going to put in 50. For the magenta, we're going to put in 40. And for the yellow, we're going to put in 25. And that's our rich black. The other thing you have to worry about is ink limit. If the document exceeds an ink limit, then sometimes the printer will send a document back to you and ask you to reconfigure the document because the ink limit is over. It's over the ink limit. That does happen from time to time. And every printer has an ink limit. Illustrator doesn't have a tab for that, but InDesign does. So now that we've checked our document over, what we want to do is we want to export the document. Now, let's look at some of the options for exporting our document in the next exercise.